Sometimes when you first get started with a vacuum therapy system, something happens because either there's not enough lubrication on the inside of the cylinder, or there's just too much aggression when it comes to squeezing the pump handle, is that the head of the penis gets bunched up here right at the opening of the cylinder and won't go past that. So it almost creates, I don't know if you can see that, just sort of this curling under, and then all the blood just sticks right here at the opening, and then you can't get that nice glide inside the cylinder. If that's happening for you, there are two solutions, and they work in tandem. One of them is to make sure that you've got lubrication, like I said, as far in here as you can get it, because even if you get to this place and then you hit friction because you don't have enough lubrication on the inside of the cylinder, you are going to get that curl effect where you're just going to sort of do that with the penis. So you want to make sure it can glide nice and easy in here, and that doesn't happen. Another thing I would like for you to pay attention to is the aggression with the pumping. So remember, we're just going to squeeze nice 1, 2 squeezes, hold the vacuum seal, and then let the blood flow into the penis. And if you get too aggressive and you see this happening with the head of the penis, either break the seal or hold the seal, but press this green button and the vacuum will back off a little bit and the blood flow will slow down, and then you can come back and start using the pump again. But just remember to use good lubrication, take your time. These bushings come with the Esteem manual, and you can put these in. This is a personal preference thing for you. You can put that in. That might create a smaller opening, but if you do that, make sure you get that lubrication all the way on the inside here as well and beyond it. And you can even add this to it, and it may help. It's a personal preference thing for you, but that might be a solution to that sort of bunching up and give you a comfort level with your device. As always, I tell you, if you have the device, make sure that you pay attention to the user guide. A lot of the questions you may have are answered here. And then, as always, you can call the number on the website and we'll help you out.